Hello, welcome to my channel Market Wisdom, and as I explained yesterday, I'm going to give my view on TCS and Infosys, which belongs to IT sector stocks, and along with that also I will give view on Nifty IT index. That will give us an idea where TCS is heading and Infosys is heading, and if we can get some investing ideas from this, let's capture that. So that's my intention for this video. And also we will look at the TCS and Infosys delivery percentages in recent time. That will tell us actually what action is going on in the market. Okay, so this is TCS Tata Consultancy Services chart for daily time frame. This is daily time frame I have opened, and each and every chart suggests something. Okay, so you no need to be a chart expert or something like that. You can by looking at the chart also, as a common man we can interpret something, okay, out of this. So this is a one day chart for TCS. Now what we can try to interpret this chart. Let's see what it is saying. So we can see initially this was the resistance level 3333, that is a round level. After that this is the resistance 3350. Then what was the resistance? This 3396, so around the 3400. That's what we can interpret, right? So let's draw one trend line over here which suggests previous supports for us, resistance for us. Okay, so let's draw this trend line. First of all, what it indicates, you can see after this crossing this particular resistance, it has boomed, right? This much of gap, this much of bounce it has given this particular stock, right? So what we can expect now from this one? So initial earlier resistance should act as a support. That is one of the idea behind drawing this particular resistance line. So you can see now TCS has fallen from let's draw one line over here as well, horizontal line. Yeah, so we can see over here this one acting as a resistance now, new resistance, which is this level 4000, right? So now it has double top made over here, right? We can see top near about 4000, and then it again came down, right? So let's draw double top over here. Okay, so these are the double tops made by TCS. Now what we can expect? So earlier these are the resistance, now it should act as a support over here around this area, right? So 34,000 should act as a support. What is the current level? 34,900. so it is the closing price on Friday, so it is very much near to support. So that's the basic first thing. If we look at the volume, we can see quite a lot of selling going on in last couple of days. But let's look at the delivery percentage as well. So if I go to the delivery percentage, let's see. Yeah, so Tata Consultancy Services, we can see on the daily chart as well. So there is a on 22nd October, that is on Friday, 62% delivery percentage, means along with the traded quantity. Let's say 100 quantity was traded on that particular day. Out of that, 62% was delivered quantity, means people took the equity on that particular day, right? So if we see the delivery percentage, although the stock is falling, it's getting accumulated at the lower levels. So if we see the delivery percentage, it is 62, 64, 66. Okay, so in last couple of days, or we can say in this last particular week, people have actually people or whatever institutes are accumulating this particular stock. So what it is indicating us, it is at the support level, near to support level, and people are also accumulating the stock. So that is the first indication where TCS can give us a bounce from this particular level, because it has already fallen more than 10%. You can see it's fallen from 4000 level to 35,000. So 500 points it has already fallen. So there is no rule as such in the market, it will bounce from here definitely, so we should invest a lot of money over here. But yeah, it gives us an idea, like where it can make a bounce as well, okay, from here. So for us, if let's say this is gets broken, this trend line gets broken, but I don't think it will broke in the first go. It will take 1 or 2 attempts. If it has to go down, it will not go directly go and break over here, because it has, you can see already it has fallen some decent amount of points, and there is one gap as well in this area. So it has to move up, okay. So that's the first thing. If let's say it breaks this particular area, where it can go. So the next trend line that I can see is over here, right? So let me draw that trend line. Yeah. So what we can see, this is our support area earlier, right, from where it has bounced, right? So in that case 33,000 we can say a round level which should act as a support. So let me draw that line as well. Horizontal line. So this one, 33,000. So this will be my stop loss in my case, okay. It is little bit longer, but for TCS kind of stock, where we can see around 50-60 point of daily mu in a stock, 100 point stop loss is quite a good idea. And what I suggest is, don't go for options, but yeah, you can definitely start buying equity around this particular area as I suggested. Now let's look at the Infosys chart, because what happens, this buying and selling comes along the sector, right? So Infosys and TCS belongs to same sector, that is IT sector, and they go most of the time hand in hand, okay. So let's look at the Infosys chart. Let me remove the first drawing. This is again a daily time frame. Now let's look at the closer look of the daily, what's happening over here. Yeah, in this case we can draw a couple of support and resistance lines. Let's see where is the support. Yeah, we can see around this area there is quite a good amount of support over here, because it has given bounce from this particular level again and again. So this is the, what is the level, 1660. So that is a round level we can say for Infosys, okay. And what is the current price? It is near to 1700. After that, where is support? Let's look at the horizontal line. Where is horizontal line? Yeah. So what I suggest is this round figure, that is 1695, is another good support. That is 1700, we can broadly say. That is a very good support. That's what I see. So in this Infosys case, what I suggest is anything near to 1700 is buying opportunity over here. And if we see on that day as well, it has bounced from 1707. So at least it has made first attempt to touch this particular our line 1695, and it has started to accumulate. Let's now see the Infosys what we can say delivery percentage. So what is the Infosys delivery percentage? That will give us an idea what's happening in the background. Yeah, you can see in Infosys as well, big institutes or maybe retailers, whatever it can be, but the delivery percentage is more than 60 is a good sign. So 65%, 64, 72, 60, 68. So these are the delivery percentage out of the traded quantity. So which indicates people are buying. Why they may be buying? Because it has already corrected, you can say 1850 to 1700, means 150 points of drop already it has shown. It's quite a big drop, right? You can see in the recent time always it has given from this level, what is 1750 to 1650, that is a 100-point drop over here, right? Let's see. Yeah, so in this case it is 100-point drop. In this case it is what is the level, 1780 to 1650. So it is 120 points drop. So around 120 points drop, each drop it has bounced back, right? So that is the trend what we can see. So here right now it has already corrected 150, more than 150 points, and we still have a cap of 10-15 points. So my understanding says it should bounce from here. So TCS and Infosys are on the support level and they can bounce from the here. So that is the another point to note. Now let's look at the Nifty IT index, which has weightage of these both the stocks. So now we can see in Nifty IT index, which has a high weightage for Infosys and TCS stock. So let's draw again a trend line. So this chart also tells us something, right? So what it tells, so here is one support because it has already bounced from this particular level. So let's draw support line over here. So this is how we can, in simple term, we can draw support and resistance, and we can mark these levels for our reference, and if anything we get near to that particular price, we can think of buying. Okay, so that's the main idea. And where is the resistance we are seeing? Here we are seeing the resistance. So let's draw the resistance as well. Okay, so we are seeing resistance around this particular area. So now it has also fallen down. We can see it has also fallen down twice from this to this level. It has bounced here once. This is second attempt, and it is now again dropped from this particular level to this level. So this is a critical level, we can say, right? And if let's say it breaks this particular line, then there may be a chance of a big gap down in this particular Nifty index. Where it can go up to this point, that is 33,500. that is round level as well, and next support area, that's what we see. So in our case, if Infosys breaks this particular 1660 level or 70,000 1700 level, then where is the next support? Okay, so let's see the next support in Infosys. Why I'm drawing this? Because Infosys and TCS have highest weightage, right, in the Nifty IT index. So where we can see the next support over here, this one, because it has taken a lot of times this particular level as a support. So but it is very deep. 1589 means more than 1600, right? So it is a quite a big drop. In that case, Nifty and Nifty IT index both will fall like anything. So in my view, according to chart, we should see support around this 1700 area in Nifty, in Infosys. In TCS, we should see some support area around this 34,000 level, 34,050 or 34,060 level, right? And as we are also seeing, the delivery percentage is high, and Nifty IT index is also on the support area, right? So what is our takeaway from this today's video? Infosys and TCS are at the support level. Let me take a note of this. So what I will do is, so I will post this video, and maybe in couple of days we will let's check the performance of our charts. We will analyze it after 2-3 days, whether it is really taking support at the levels that we are mentioning, and that is how we will analyze our trading strategy as well, and we will try to check whether it is working properly or not. Okay, so let's draw the let's make the note of the support areas for TCS support at what I'm saying, 3460 to 34,000, and in 3400. In fee support at 1700, 1695 to be specific, 1695 to 1660. So that is our support area. And Nifty IT index, what is the support we are saying? Just a second. It is at the 34,700. okay, so that is our support area, 34,700. okay, and if all these levels gets break, then we may see what we can say, drop down in all the index heavyweights and index as well. So it will impact because TCS and Infosys are heavyweight stock means they have highest weightage in Nifty IT index and Nifty index as well. So there in that case they will drag the Nifty index down as well. And if we see Nifty as well, Nifty is also at the support level 18,000, right? For Nifty I will anyway post Nifty weekly analysis view in some time, but in Nifty as well it is at the support area 18,000 area. It has already made two bottoms over here, but it is at the support area. So I don't think we will break these levels in Infosys 1700 in Infosys, and in TCS 34,060. These are buy areas for me. And what I will do is basically I will try to invest in equity in this area, particularly because monthly expiry is on the corner. In the next week we have monthly expiry, so rather than going in the options, I will try to suggest do invest in equity and take what we can say equity, and you can exit on 6 to 10 percent of profit. So what will be the bounce back level for TCS? Let's look at that as well, so that we can get exit point as well, right? Because we don't want to my strategy says we should uh, collect 5 to 10% of what we can say gain and exit. That's it. If you want to invest for long term, these are purely very good stocks, Infosys and TCS. You can go anytime and buy and keep it in portfolio. They also give good dividend. So from long term perspective they are always buy, because TCS we don't see 500-point drop that usually, right? So it is always a buy stock, TCS and Infosys. So in case of bounce, what we can see is there is resistance around this 36,000 area as well. So this one yeah, 36,000, because it has taken support over here twice and then it has fallen from this particular level. After breaking this, it has came down on almost 150 120 points down. So this 36,000 will act as a resistance for TCS. And in case of Infosys, let's look where it can go. Let me check. This is daily candle. Yeah, so this one 1750 to 1760, to be specific 1750 is first level of resistance. And if we break that, we can see the next support is at this one, resistance is at the 17, this one 18 70 80, because twice it has made attempt over here, right? So 1780 will be the next level of resistance. That is the strategy. Quickly let's look at the okay, I wanted to show Opstra, in which we will see the open interest quickly. Let me go to the Opstra site. I should have opened it earlier, but it's okay. So that open interest will tell us like where people are seeing the support and resistance. So let me log in quickly. So open interest will go open in the open interest. I will open TCS. Okay, so we can see there is a huge call writing at 35,000. So 35,000 should, and put writing as well over there. Some puts are unwinded, but that is fine. 35,000 they have increased call writers over here, so 35,000 should act as a first support. And if we break that, then we will definitely see 36,000, because all these shorts will be trapped and they have to run for cover. So in that case we will see 36,000 level. But yeah, on the chart side, what we can see, there is a huge call writing for this particular month. Already this month is about to end on Thursday, this monthly expiry. So let's look at the next month, what people are thinking. Yeah, in next month we can see there is a huge put writing over here. 35,000. So people are thinking in the next month or TCS is not going to break 35,000 and it will sustain above 35,000. So that is why people are making a a put writing over there. So and after that there is a straddles are sold for 36,000. So yeah, people are thinking that 35,000 it should bounce up to 36,000. So that is the 100 point of level which we are also suggesting. Yeah, in our chart also we can see 36,810, that is our first resistance level, and 35,000 is a support level. So yeah, so stock can over in between this particular range for next couple of weeks we can say. But yeah, 120 points of uh, margin is still there, so we can collect our 1-2% of gain, and 5 to 10% of gain, and we can exit. So you can see expecting this stock to hover in this particular area, and if it breaks this particular thing it will go up. And if let's say it breaks this particular our area of support, then we can see another 100 point drop. That is the next support level is 33.21. So that is analysis we have done on TCS. On Infosys as well, it will hover in between this particular area. Yeah, if it breaks, we are seeing 1695 as a support over there. So it should ideally hover in between this particular range. There is a wide range, but that is how the Infosys and TCS stock works. If it breaks this particular area, then we can see another 40-50 points of drop in Infosys as well. So this is our strategy for Infosys and TCS. And as I mentioned, levels over here, these are support, and I would suggest to go for equity buying in these particular stocks. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for your time.